Today, we'll be making braised duck. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. First, we'll season our duck with salt and pepper. Use generous amounts and then give it a good rub. We'll do this for both sides. Now we can marinate our duck with dark soy sauce. Coat completely. Now over medium heat, oil your pan and place the duck. For this process, we'll want to brown the skin and let it crisp up before we cook completely. Make sure you rotate the duck and that you get all the sides. Once golden brown, we'll remove from heat and set this aside for now. To a large wok, add in ginger, garlic cloves, small onions, then we'll add in our duck, star anise, bay leaves, light soy sauce, regular soy sauce, Chinese rose wine, plum sauce, and salted Japanese plums. For these, we'll want to mash them up before placing into our pan. Then add in rock sugar and water. Over high heat, bring it to a boil. Once it begins to boil, lower to medium heat and let it simmer. We'll cook the duck for a total of 1 hour, rotating it every 15 minutes. After 1 hour of cooking, remove from heat and we'll leave it covered for 1 hour. When you're ready to serve, you can now chop the duck. For a quick sauce, we'll go back to our pot and sieve out any of the remaining pieces. Also, we'll remove the oil here. Now drizzle the sauce over your duck and there you have it, a delicious braised duck. Enjoy!